What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy T. Trying not to keep y'all waiting too long in between videos, man. So we're gonna try to get to this $565 Soul Supremacy mystery beater box. You new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. I don't know what's in them, don't know the size, condition, none of that stuff. Just in case you stumbled up on this video, just a complete mystery beater box, man. Sometimes they beaters and sometimes they dead stock kicks. We just don't know. Like I said, man, 565 bucks. Before we get into this video though, man, I want to say thank y'all to everyone who gave me words of encouragement, who commented on my Instagram post of my son, man. It was crazy. It was a big old thing for us and my family, man. Just a crazy blessing, man. Thank you for everyone who gave me those words of encouragement, who shipped me diapers. Mitch, bro, appreciate you. Just everybody, man, came out for the baby shower. If anything, if you local, you might have seen me or knew about this because you probably seen us around town or something. And my wife is big, so you know that big old baby. So I try not to bring family stuff into the little sneaker channel, whatever. But for those who really rock with me, man, thank you, man. It was crazy, man. The whole little baby shower thing and all that stuff. It was fun, exciting. This is all new. This is a whole different dynamic in my household. So, all right, man. Back to the shoes, man. 565 bucks for this box. This is the price range I like to stay in, bro. This is cool for me. I feel like it's just hard to lose with this, man. 565, it's hard to lose, but it's still possible. I mean, there's been boxes that you get that's $500 and $600 bucks is just not even like sometimes worth it, man. I know a lot of y'all think it's gold bricks in every box, but a lot of times you just get bricks. So not a lot of times. This year's been great, man. I haven't ran the numbers officially yet, but just going back through my log of everything I bought and sold this year, because you got to keep track of that stuff. So this year's been amazing, man. So talked enough. Let's open the box, man. Let's open the box. Got a big old blade, so it's kind of. Alright. Right, so off top, y'all know how we start off. We got loose shoes. I got 2 pair that I can see. I got some Kobe Elites. No box. Very good condition. I love this shoe when it came out. 9.5 on these. Size 9.5 on the Kobe's. No box. These are very clean. I can't think of the name of these. I had a USA pair that I was shooting around in when they first came out, man. And I had like an Elite Rose pair. This part right here gives you so much support on your ankle when you hooping, man. It's crazy. But very dope colorway. Another pair without a box. And I don't know what these are called. This is a size 10. I used to be up on the Kobe's like crazy, but right now I can't think of what none of these are called. We have I know it's a Kobe 10, but I don't know the nickname of them. If y'all know the nickname of these shoes, man, I'm pretty sure I have it, on the screen by the time this video goes up. But size 10, no box on these. Another clean colorway, very good condition on these. First pair was a 9.5. This box is off top. I just pulled out 2 and I got 3 more Kobe's, at least 3 more Kobe's in this box. We got a Kobe 7 system, pre-owned Kobe 7. This is a size 10 on these. I'm not a big fan of this colorway. Kobe 7s were comfortable too. I used to have all the different Kobe's, just like Jordans, when I was trying to play some basketball. Well, not really playing basketball, just getting my cardio. Y'all know I'm just a fat boy trying to get the cardio cracking. Size 10, if I didn't tell y'all on those. This box is loaded with Kobe's, man. Another size 10. We got an AD. I never seen an AD in hand. We got an AD, the Oregon. As you can see, the little Oregon on the back. Check these out. Again, very clean pair. Pull out the other one since they pre-owned. I gotta show y'all both of them. Box goes down. You got the Oregon little wing right here, the duck wing or whatever. Boom. I guess having that Oregon logo on anything, I guess makes it more valuable. I don't know, man. With the box, size 10 on those. I'm just gonna knock them all out. And I got another Kobe down here. Size 7, size 10, Kobe 7. These are called the Sharks. I do remember these, something like that. With the receipt, even though I don't think that matters. These are straight beaters. Look at that discoloration in there. This is the most beat pair I pulled out of here so far. Check them out. I mean, they might still have a little life and clean them up and just go outside and hoop in them, but Kobe 7s. I want to say these, yep, Shark. There goes the Shark on the back. It looks like I got somebody's whole Kobe collection, man. This is a size 10 also. We got an old box. Old Nike sportswear box. Finally something different. We got a size 11 Nike Air Safari NRG. These look like that classic Safari. These are dead stock, so that's dope. Size 11. I'm not sure what the release date is on these. These kind of dope though. If you into that Safari thing, on the Air Max model, very clean, dead stock. Don't know the value of these or half the Kobe's I pulled out, but dead stock shoes and a $565 box is pretty good with the original box. I'm not sure what release date this was. Oh, I can't get this box out. It's straight up beat. Got a box with a hole in it. We got an NMD. This is a size 12. Box is trash. I've had these before in my personal collection. Don't have them anymore. These actually had some pretty good value. I want to say when I resold mine, they went for over $150, but that was back when NMDs was just popping like that. Right now, NMDs, I think that wave kind of died out, man. But I'm gonna check them out. Some people still like them. I mean, I'm sure they're still comfortable. I actually like the model of NMDs. They just look horrible on my feet. So all of mine are gone. They were comfortable, but man, hey, it was just too ugly on my feet, man. I had to move those around, find something else, man. Right now, Vapor Maxes is my go-to for working out. Vapor Maxes, Hirachis, Prestos. That's what I'm training in. Element, Reacts, a bunch of stuff, man, like that. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say this one box. I got a Kobe 8, 9.5. All these Kobe's is 9.5 and 10, man. So if you a hooper and you wear 9.5, 10, and you like Kobe's, I got you. These are not dead stock. I can't think of the name of these. This is a Kobe 8. Kobe 8 was a clean model on court, man. I know a couple of NBA players still rocking the Kobe 8. These are very clean too. This box is a Kobe fan's dream. Wow. I don't know the nickname of them, but I like the all red, a little black. These are in great condition too. Still got a lot of traction on the bottom. And size 9.5 with the box. Last up, man, y'all know we had to say the last up for the Nike. This is a size 10. Not my size. I need, okay. Money shoe. This is why I like 565 boxes. This is an OG Bread 1. This is a 2013 release. Very, very clean. Yeah, dang, no. Very clean pair. This pair, I know these are still going used upwards of 300 on up, man. And check out the bottom. Oh, I don't know. A lot of stars, man. A lot of stars. Hardly any star loss on the bottom. Check them out. This is definitely the money shoe of the box. I don't, maybe because the Kobe's in here not worth too much. I don't know. I have to do my research on those. But very happy to have another pair of these. Had this shoe so many times. Yeah, I'm sitting here thinking like, dang. Sometimes you gotta keep stuff like this, man. Sometimes you gotta keep stuff like this, but I already kept too many of these in my collection. I feel like they're gonna keep going up in value, man. I know on GOAT, these things dead stock in this size are going for like $650, $700 dead stock. So to find this in a $565 box, this is dope. I almost feel like this shouldn't have been in here, but just because I've had more expensive boxes with not as much heat in it like this. So this is fire, man. Very happy with it. Box is in great shape, size 10. No extra laces with these, but the black laces look better in them to me anyway. So size 10. OG 1 Breads, definitely the money shoe of the box. That's gonna wrap it up for this box. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Thank you again to all those who showed love to baby TJ. I should have another box coming in real soon, so you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that sub button if you guys are watching this. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. And I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'm out. Peace.